In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a super smooth, professional cursor animation in seconds using my plugin, ClickZoomPro. And honestly, once you see how fast this works, you're not gonna want to animate cursors manually ever again. So first, go to Window, Extensions, ClickZoomPro. If you don't have it yet, the link is in the description below. On my side, I already created a composition. Imagine you're making a Canva tutorial and you want to create a much smoother cursor animation to make your video look more professional. I already imported my screen recording. All I have to do now is drag it into the timeline. You'll notice it's not showing yet inside the plugin preview. That's totally normal. You can either click refresh or just turn on auto refresh. I usually keep auto refresh on, and as you can see, the capture appears instantly. Creating the animation is ridiculously simple. Go to the Animator tab and click the off button to activate cursor mode. As soon as you click it, boom, the cursor appears in your composition, ready to go. All you gotta do is click wherever you want the cursor to move. So for example, I click here and instantly the cursor animates to that position. Let me preview that for you. Look at that. Smooth, clean, professional. And I didn't touch a single keyframe manually. Now let's make it feel even more real. If you're doing tutorials or UI demos, you usually need click feedback. Just hit add click. That's it. The click animation is added automatically, including the sound. If you don't want the sound, you can turn it off. But personally, I like keeping it. It makes everything feel more realistic and more engaging. You're also not stuck with one cursor style. You can hit switch cursor type and instantly change from the arrow to the pointer. That's perfect when you're simulating button clicks. So I click here, add a click, switch the cursor, click somewhere else, add another click, and it already looks like real user interaction. And that took what, a few seconds? Now here's something that makes a huge difference. You might notice that by default, the cursor doesn't rotate in the direction it's moving. That's because orientation is off. Just click Orient. Now watch this. The cursor automatically rotates based on its movement direction. That small detail instantly makes the animation feel more natural, more polished, more professional. This is the kind of thing that separates basic animations from high-level motion design. And what I really love about ClickZoomPro is this. It generates all the keyframes for you. If you tried to do this manually in After Effects, you'd spend way more time adjusting positions, easing, rotation, timing. Here, you just click, and it's done. Now let's say you don't want the cursor visible anymore. Just select the layer and click Fade Out, and it disappears smoothly. No opacity keyframes, no extra setup. But here's where it gets really powerful. You're not limited to the default cursor. You can animate text, shapes, icons, logos, UI elements, even your own custom cursor. Let me show you. Instead of using the default cursor, I'm going to create a simple shape layer. I select the shape, and just like before, I click where I want it to move. Click here, then here, then here. And again, the plugin automatically generates all the keyframes. No manual positioning, no graph editor headaches, no wasted time. It works exactly like the cursor system, but now applied to any element you want. So imagine animating callouts, highlights, numbers, custom icons, branded UI interactions, all in seconds. That's the flexibility. That's the power. Let me take a simple example. I'm gonna create this shape right here. Imagine this shape is acting like a button. Now, I click on the button area and the cursor animates toward it automatically. Then, I select the cursor and click Add Click to simulate the interaction. After that, I also select the button layer itself since it's the UI element, and I click Add Click again. And as you can see, the cursor animation and the button interaction were created in just a few clicks. So yeah, that's how you create smooth cursor animations and animated elements with ClickZoomPro. If you found this useful, make sure you subscribe because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the camera control system to create even more dynamic, cinematic animations inside After Effects. And if you want to try ClickZoomPro for yourself, the download link is in the description. Go test it, play with it, and you'll see how much time it saves you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.